Dear Temba Muliswa, no one in ZANU-PF or ZANU-PF patriots or politics in general is a saint, but as the masses and the true third force, we stand with anyone who is ready to confront Mnangagwa and his corrupt faction of hyenas while defending our constitution. Rizanabina mashoko tsambanyero bwa kuna Temba Muliswa panguwa ino vanhu vachiva vachimukonfidza vachiti aiwa Temba Muliswa zvaari kuita kuda kuataka VP Constantino Chiwenga ndo the biggest mistake yari kuita mupenyu wake ndokuti subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina mamuda wenyika omushinzi. General Chiwenga is not a saint, and he will never be a saint for his atrocities from 2008 elections up to date. But he is the man who is confronting Mnangagwa and corruption of his Shigananda faction that is looting billions. Anything outside that is an enemy of the people and the state. Kindly leave it to us, the citizens, to decide who the lesser devil is. Do not attempt to push the 2030 agenda of your ruthless, cunning, and corrupt brother, Idi Mnangagwa and his Shigananda faction. Their only mission has been enriching themselves, their families, and the cronies through looting state resources, abusing overpriced tenders awarded outside proper processes, and handing our natural wealth to their Chinese partners. Zimbabwe cannot afford another demigod or stubborn dictator to rule for over a decade by mutilating the constitution to feed his personal ego and becoming a lifetime president and establishing a dynasty. Never tazviramba. Thomas Karunyogwa panapa achinyorerwa kuna Temba Muliswa achinzi zvaari kuita izvi achisapota the 2030 plan dai hake amborega noda kwokuti ari kutouya panguva ino achisapota our dictatorship, panguva ino ari achisapota corruption, kusapota cronism, kusapota zvigananda, panguva ino zviri kuonekwa kunzi zviri kuya zvichimora maresources, our land, zvinopa kune maforeigners nekuenricha themselves. Pina comment section medu dzamafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pina comment section medu, subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.